What's going on, guys? Anders here. Today's video I'm gonna give you an overview of the newest Nommo Chroma gaming speakers from Razer. So without further ado, let's get started. First off, inside of the box we are getting the Razer Nommo Chroma speakers, along with a quick guide installation, a couple of Razer logo stickers, its power adapter, and a 3mm audio jack cable. Its design is pretty cool. They come with a black matte color showing the logo on the right side of the right speaker. They are supported by a flat circle base. This speakers features a custom woven glass fiber 3mm inch driver located on the front of the speakers with a rear facing bass port. The right speaker is where all the connections will happen. First off, it has a USB cable that goes into your PC, a kind of MIDI cable to connect with the left speaker. On the back it has an auxiliary in, the power jack, and a headphones jack port. On the base it has two knobs, one to control the basses and one to control the volume, which also will help you to turn on the speakers by pressing. The main feature of the Nommo Chroma speakers is the RGB halo LEDs located on the bottom. These LEDs can be controlled by using the Razer Synapse software. You can change the color lighting and also choose between 4 effects: breathing, spectrum cycling, static, and wave. But if you want a deeper customization of the effects, you can always select the advanced effects that connect you with the Chroma Studio, giving you a bigger range of LED customization. In software you can also control the volume and change the equalizer presets. Overall, this speaker sounds really good and I really like the fancy looks of its design. Regardless, I'm a bit disappointed that it don't allow you to create an equalizer preset and the limited options of effects. I like the concept of having a halo LEDs on the base of the speakers, but to be honest, you can barely see the LEDs, since there's a bezel of 5mm on the speaker's gap. Hopefully these small details can be fixed on the next generation. And that's all for this video overview, my friends. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about these newest gaming speakers from Razer. And if you like the video and want to support the channel, don't forget to give that thumbs up, share the video and subscribe. And that way you won't miss any of my future videos and content. I'm your good friend Fury Pixel. See you next time.